Yo guys, this is the Financial Data Extractor team back with another absolute banger of an Iteration 2 video. Right, as you can see guys, this is our login page. So we're actually going to implement an account onboarding in the future. That'll be Iteration 3. And that's just going to be so that we can store all of our users, usernames and passwords into our database. So now Sang is going to put in the username and password, and you're not going to believe it, but the username is user and the password is password. Please don't hack into our website. So here, whenever Sang clicks upload PDF, you're going to see that it says, please select a PDF file to upload. And that's just one of our error handlings. So we actually have error handling in the front end and back end. So the front end is whenever a file's empty or maybe it's not the correct file type. So now Sang's going to choose a file and just give it a second, and it's going to output some absolutely beautiful data. And there it is. So as you can see, it says that our AWS configuration is missing because we have our AWS configured, but we just don't have it connected to the S3 bucket yet.
All right, so let's take a look at our parser here. We have tried a couple different ways of loading LLMs. We've done two locally and one using the OpenAI key, but we can't actually use OpenAI for our final product because of privacy issues. These are financial documents that we're parsing. So we're going with Olama right now, but I believe right now we're using Gwyn 2.5, which it's working pretty well. And for parsing itself, we first take the PDF and we convert it into an image, and then we run OCR on the image itself to extract the text and give it to the AI. And as you can see, it outputs pretty well. It gives JSON.
And lastly, this is our last feature to show you guys. It's the database and or the S3 bucket. So the database is used for account onboarding. So when our clients and their customers need to be able to log in with ease of access, we'll already have all their login credentials. And the S3 bucket is where we store all of our JSON and all of our output that comes from any of the input. And we actually don't have the S3 bucket set up. As I said earlier, it costs money, so we don't want to be sending reckless calls to this S3 bucket, but that is incredibly useful because it provides an audit trail for the client, actually, because they want to be able to see when people are doing things in the S3 bucket. So, unfortunately, all good things must come to an end. And this is the end of our Iteration 2 video. I'd just like to thank each and every one of you for watching. And please, please vote for us for rent. We need rent this month. We can't make it without your vote. So please vote for the Financial Data Extractor team.